Q. The Nagara, the Dravida and the Vesara are the 2012. Three main racial groups of the Indian subcontinent. B. Three main linguistic divisions into which the languages of India can be classified. C. Three main styles of Indian temple architecture. D. Three main musical gharanas prevalent in India. Answer C. Question 1. One Nagara School of One Nagara School of Architecture. This is a distinct style of temple architecture developed in the northern part of India. Some of the features of Nagara style are: the temples generally followed the Panchayatan style of temple making, which consisted of subsidiary shrines laid out in a crucified ground plan with respect to the principal shrine. Style of temple architecture: Nagara style, Dravidian style. Naika style, Vesara style, Hoysala style. Vijayanagara Art Palace School. Presence of assembly halls or mandaps in front of the principal shrine. Outside the Garbhagriha, images of the river goddesses, Ganga and Yamuna, were placed. There were no water tanks or reservoirs present in the temple premises. The temples were generally built on upraised platforms. The porticos had a pillared approach. The shikharas were generally of three types: Raika, Prasad, Famsana and Vallabhi. The temple premise did not have elaborate boundary walls or gateways. 2. Under the Nagara school, the three sub-schools emerged. 1. Odisha school, Sun temple at Konark, Jagannath temple at Puri, Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar etc. 2. Khajuraho school, developed by Chandel rulers. Examples: Kanhaiya Mahadev temple, Lakshman temple at Khajuraho. 3. Solanki school, in northwestern part of India. Example: Modhera Sun temple, Gujarat. 3. Dravidian style of temple architecture. Developed under the patronage of Chola rulers. That's why it is also known as Chola style. Unlike the Nagara temples, the Dravidian temples were surrounded by high boundary walls. The front wall had a high entrance gateway known as the Gopuram. The temple premise was laid out in the Panchayatan style with a principal temple and 4 subsidiary shrines. In the Dravidian style, the spire is in the form of a stepped pyramid that rises up linearly rather than curved. It is known as Vimana. The crowning element is shaped in the form of an octagon and is known as Shikhara. It is similar to the colors of the Nagara temple, but not spherical. The assembly hall was connected with the Garbhagriha by a vestibular tunnel known as Antrala. The presence of a water tank inside the temple enclosure was a unique feature of the Dravidian style. Examples: Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjore, Venaikondathulapuram temple etc. 4. Question 1. Vesara school of architecture. Mainly flourished under the Chalukya rulers, also known as the Karnataka school of architecture. It combines features of both Nagara and Dravidian school. Some of its features are: emphasis on Vimana and Mandapa. Open ambulatory passageway. The pillars, doorways and the ceilings were decorated with intricate carvings. 3 prominent dynasties who made Vesara style temples are Chalukyas of Badami and Kalyani. Rashtrakutas 750-983 AD. For example, Kailashnath temple in Ellora etc. Hoysala dynasty 1050-1300 AD. For example, temples at Helbit, Belur etc. Examples: Doda Basappa temple at Dambal, Ladkhan temple at Aihole, temples at Badami etc. 5. Question 1. Question 2. Q. With reference to the cultural history of India, the term Panchayatan refers to 2014. An assembly of village elders. B. A religious sect. C. A style of temple construction. D. An administrative functionary. Answer C. Question 3. Q. In which one of the following cities is the Lingaraja temple located? 2001. Bhubaneswar. B. Bijapur. C. Kolkata. D. Shravanabelagola. Answer A. Question 4. Q. Which of the following are famous for sun temples? 2017. 1. Arasavalli. 2. Amarakantik 3. Omkareshwar. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Sun temples in India. 1. Konark Sun temple of Odisha is a World Heritage Site and also listed as one of the 7 wonders of India. 2. Sun temple, Modhera is situated on the bank of the Pushpavati river in Mehsana district of Gujarat. 3. Sun temple, Martinat is located 5 miles from Anantnag city of Jammu and Kashmir. The temple is now in ruins but the site is listed as national importance in Jammu and Kashmir and protected monuments of India. 4. Sun temple, Gwalior's holy temple is similar to the Sun temple of Konark. 5. Sun temple, Anawat is famous and rare Sun temple in India, situated in Anna town of Desha district. The temple is known for unique architecture and design. 6. Sun temple, Ranchi. 7. Sun temple, Katamal Surya temple of Katarmal is a monument of national importance and noted for its magnificent carved pillars and wooden doors. 8. Surya Pahar temple, Assam Surya Pahar is an ancient sun worship center and the complex has several rock cut Shivalingas, sculpture of 12 armed Vishnu and remains of the Ganesha and Harihara. 9. Surya Narayan temple, Domlu Surya Narayana temple in Domlu is located in Bangalore city. 10. Sun temple, Veya Dakshinarka Sun temple in Veya is an ancient sun temple and has been mentioned in the epics. 11. Surya Narayan temple, Arasavalli Shri Surya Narayana Swami temple is among the famous sun temples in our country. 12. Suryana temple, Kumbakonam is dedicated to sun god and one of the 9 Navagraha temples in Tamil Nadu. 1. Question 4. Question 5. Q. Where is the famous Virupaksha temple located? 2009. Bhadrachalam. B. Chidambaram. C. Hampi. D. Srikalahasti. Answer C. UNESCO World Heritage Temples. Sun Temple, Konark. Group of Monuments of Mahabalipuram. Ratha Temples. Arjuna's Penance. Descent of Ganges Khajuraho Group of Monuments. Kanhaiya Temple Group of Monuments at Hampi. Virupaksha Temple. Krishna Temple. Vithala Temple. Achyutaraya Temple Group of Monuments at Patadakal. Virupaksha Temple. Upanatha Temple Jan Narayana Temple. 1. Question 5. Great Living Chola Temples. Brihadeshwara Temple, Tanjavur. Brihadeshwara Temple, Venaikondathulapuram. Airavateshwara Temple, Darasuram Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya. Question 6. Q. Where is the famous Vijaya Vithala Temple having its 56 carved pillars exhibiting musical noted located? 2007. Belur. B. Bhadrachalam. C. Hampi. D. Srirangam. Answer C. Vijaya Vithala Temple. It is well known for its exceptional architecture and craftsmanship. It is situated near the banks of Tungabhadra river. It was built during the reign of King Devarai II, one of the rulers of Vijayanagara Empire. The Vitala temple is built in the Dravidian style of architecture. It has traits and features that are characteristic of typical South Indian temple architecture. The Ranga Mandapa is one of the main attractions of the Vitala temple. The large mandapa is renowned for its 56 musical pillars. These musical pillars are also known as Saregama pillars, indicating the musical notes emitted by them. The musical notes are emanated when the pillars are tapped gently. 1. Question 6. Question 7. Q. Which one of the following temples figured in the news regarding the institution of the Devadasis? 1996. A. Jagannath Temple, Puri. B. Pasupatinath Temple, Kathmandu. C. Kundriya Mahadev Temple, Khajuraho. D. Chonsatugini Temple, Biraghat. Answer A. 1. In parts of southern and eastern India, a Devadasi or Jogini was a young woman who dedicated her life to the worship and service of a Hindu deity or a temple. 2. In addition to taking care of the temple and performing rituals, these women also learned and practiced classical Indian artistic traditions like Bharatanatyam and Odissi dances. 3. They had a high social status, as dance and music were an essential part of temple worship. 1. About Jagannath Temple. The Sri Jagannath Temple of Puri is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Lord Mahavishnu, located on the eastern coast of India, at Puri in the state of Orissa. The temple is an important pilgrimage destination. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards, on the site of an earlier temple, and begun by King Anantavarman Chodaganga Deva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. Many great saints, such as Ramananda and Ramanuja, were closely associated with the temple. Ramanuja established their Mamat near the temple in the Govardhan Mutt, which is the seat of one of the four Shankaracharyas. It is also of particular significance to the followers of the Gaudiya Vaishnavis whose founder Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was attracted to the deity, Jagannath, and lived in Puri for many years. 2. Question 7. Question 8. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists, 2009. List I list 2. A. Vidyashankar Temple 1. Andhra Pradesh B. Rajarani Temple 2. Karnataka C. Kundriya Mahadev Temple 3. Madhya Pradesh D. Bhimeshwara Temple 4. Arisa. A, B, C, D. 2431 B. 2341 C. 1432 D. 1342 Answer. A Vidyashankar Temple. It is located in the holy town of Sringeri, in the Chikmagalur district of Karnataka. Sringeri is the site of one of the original Advaita Mathas established by Adi Shankara himself. It has a continuing tradition and recorded history from the 8th century. It combines the general features of Dravidian style with the Vijayanagara style. Rajarani Temple. Rajarani Temple is an 11th century Hindu temple located in Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Orissa, India. The temple is believed to have been known originally as Indreshwara. Rajarani Temple is built in the Pancharatha style. The temple was constructed of dull red and yellow sandstone locally called Rajarani. It is broadly classified as Saivite Temple. Kundriya Mahadev Temple. The Kundriya Mahadev Temple, meaning the great god of the cave, is the largest and most ornate Hindu temple in the medieval temple group found at Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, India. Bhimeshwara Temple. It is a 10th century shrine at Draksharamam. It is one among the 5 Aramis shrines dedicated to Shiva in Andhra Pradesh. 1. Question 8. Thank you. Our email is hello@civilstab.com. UPSC Civil Services Examination. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Art and Culture. Architecture Part 2. UPSC Prelims 2019. Current Affairs Test Series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQS. Detailed downloadable explanation. Comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Started the 1st of April 2019. 1499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Indian rock cut architecture is more various and found in greater abundance in that country than any other form of rock cut architecture around the world. Rock cut architecture is the practice of creating a structure by carving it out of solid natural rock. There are more than 1500 known rock cut structures in India. Many of these structures contain artwork of global importance, and most are adorned with exquisite stone carvings. 1. Caves in India. The Barabar Hill Caves. These are the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India, dating from the Maurya Empire, 322-185 B.C.A., some with Ashokan inscriptions, located in the Bihar, India. These rock cut chambers date back to the 3rd century BCE, Maurya period, of Ashoka, reigned 273-232 B.C.A., and his grandson, Dasharatha Maurya. The caves were used by ascetics from the Ajivika sect, founded by Mikhali Goshala, a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and of Mahavira. Barabar Hill contains 4 caves, Karan Chopad, Lomas Rishi, Sudama and Vishwakarma. 2. Early natural caves. The rock shelters of Bhimbetka, now designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are located in the district of Rasan in Madhya Pradesh. Buddhist monks were also in the habit of using natural caves, such as the Saptakuni cave, southwest from Rajgir, Bihar. Many believe it to be the site in which Buddha spent some time before his death, and where the first Buddhist council was held after the Buddha died. The Buddha himself had also used the Indrasala cave for meditation, starting a tradition of using caves, natural. 3. Artificial caves of eastern India. Sitamarhi Kavabihar. Sanbandar Kavabihar. Udayagiri and Khandgiri Caves Odisha. It is believed that most of these caves were carved out as residential blocks for Jain monks during the reign of King Kharavela. Udayagiri means Sunrise Hill and has 18 caves while Khandgiri has 15 caves. 4. Artificial caves of western India. Kala Kavasanchen Buddhist rock cut caves located at Maharashtra. Many traders and Satavahana rulers made grants for construction of these caves. Kanheri caves, they contain Buddhist sculptures and relief carvings, paintings, and inscriptions dating from the 1st century BCE to the 10th century CE. Located in the forest of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. 5. Ajanta Caves. The Ajanta Caves are rock cut Buddhist cave monuments which date from the 2nd century BCE to about 480 CE in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state of India. Since 1983, the Ajanta Caves have been a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These were inscribed by the Buddhist monks, under the patronage of the Vigataka King Shraisana being the prominent one. 6. Caves in India. Figures in these caves were done using fresco painting. One of the striking features is the absence of blue color in the paintings. The paintings are generally themed around Buddhism, life of Buddha and Jatak stories. Cave number 16 and 17 are the most elegant specimens of cave architecture. Some prominent sculptures of Ajanta Caves are Mahaparinirvana of Buddha in cave.no 26. Naga King and his consort in cave.no 19. Reference of the Ajanta Caves can be found in the travel accounts of Chinese Buddhist travelers Fa Hin and Wensang. 7. Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves are another important site of cave architecture. It's located nearly 100 away from Ajanta Caves in the Sahyadri ranges of Maharashtra. It is a group of 34 caves, 17 Brahmanical, 12 Buddhist and 5 Jain. Caves 1 to 12, Buddhist caves. 13 to 29, Hindu caves. 30 to 34, Jain, Digambara sect. 8. Caves in India. Some of the prominent caves in Ellora are. Cave number 10 is a Buddhist Chetya cave known as Vishwakarma cave or Carpenter's cave. Buddha is seated in Vyakhanamudra here and Bodhi tree is carved at his back. Cave number 14 is Teen, Ravan Ki Khai. Cave number 15 is Dashavata temple. Cave number 16 is Kailash temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It was developed under the patronage of Rashtrakuta King Krishna I. Dhumalena in Cave 29 Rameshwar temple and Cave 21 two famous Jain caves are Indra Sabha, Cave 32 and Jagannath Sabha, Cave 33. 9. Other important caves. Bagh Caves. It is a group of 9 Buddhist caves located on the bank of the Bagh river in Madhya Pradesh. Junagadh Caves. These are Buddhist caves located in Gujarat. There are not actually caves here, but 3 different sites can be found. 1. Khapra Kudya, 2. Baba Pyare, 3. Uparkot. Nasik Caves. It is a group of 24 Buddhist caves, also known as Pandavleni. They belong to the Hinayana period. Udayagiri Caves, located in Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. These were created in early 5th century under the patronage of Chandragupta II. It is famous for having numerous sculptures on the hill walls. The sculpture of Varaha or boar incarnation of the Vishnu is notable. Mandekshwar Caves. It was developed in late Gupta period as a Brahmanical cave. It was later converted into a Christian cave. 10. Caves in India. Q. With reference to the Indian history of art and culture, consider the following pairs, 2014. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3 answer, C. Question 1. Famous work of sculpture site. 1. A grand image of Buddha's Mahaparinirbana with numerous celestial musicians above and the sorrowful figures of his followers below Ajanta. 2. A huge image of Varaha avatar, boar incarnation of Vishnu, as he rescues goddess earth from the deep and chaotic waters, sculpted on rock Mount Abu. 3. Arjuna's penance, descent of Ganga, sculpted on the surface of huge boulders. Mamallapuram. Question 2. Q. With reference to the history of Indian rock art architecture, consider the following statements at face 2013. 1. The caves at Badami are the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India. 2. The Barabar rock art caves were originally made for Jivikas by Emperor Chandragupta Maurya III. At Ellora, caves were made for different faiths. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only, C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer, C. Question 3. Q. With reference to art and archaeological history of India, which one among the following was more earliest? 2015. A. Lingaraja temple at Bhubaneswar. B. Rock cut elephant at Delhi. C. Rock cut monuments at Mahabalipuram. D. Varaha image at Udayagiri. Answer, B. Question 4. Q. Which is a comment to the two historical places known as Ajanta and Mahabalipuram. 2016. 1. Both were built in the same period. 2. Both belong to the same religious denomination. 3. Both have rock cut monuments. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the statements given above is correct answer, D. Question 5. Q. Which one of the following statements is not correct? 2002. The statue of Gomateshwara at Shravana Belagula represents the last Tirthankara of Jains. D. India's largest Buddhist monastery is in Arunachal Pradesh. C. Khajuraho temples were built under Chandela kings. D. Hoysaleshwara temple is dedicated to Shiva. Answer, A. Buddhist pilgrimage sites in India. Mahabodhi temple, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. The Mahaviharas of Nalanda, Vikramshila, Sompura, Odantapuri, Pushpagiri and Jagaddala. Sirpur in Chhattisgarh. Lalitagiri, Vajragiri and Ratnagiri in Orissa. Sarnath, near Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Site of first sermon of Buddha. Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Piprihava, UP, on the Nepal border. Sanchi and Bharat in Madhya Pradesh. Nagapattinam in Tamil Nadu. Bhaja and Kala Caves, Pune, Maharashtra. Ajanta, Ellora and Pithalpura Caves, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Kanheri Caves, Mumbai. Pandavlini Caves, Nashik in Maharashtra. Gum Monastery, West Bengal. Roomtek, Pemyanse and Enchi Monastery, Sikkim. Alchi Monastery, Spituk Monastery, Shea Monastery, etc. in Ladakh. Dhankar Monastery, Nako Monastery, Kinnor, Kai Monastery, Tabo Monastery, Spiti Valley, etc. in Himachal Pradesh. Tawan Monastery, largest monastery in India, Bombila Monastery, Arunachal Pradesh. Nandroling Monastery, Balikuk, Karnataka. Rock cut elephant in Ashoka Neer, Siddhuli, Orissa. 1. Question 5. Jain sites in India. Devgarh, Uttar Pradesh. Gwalior, Chanderi and Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. Shravana Belagula in Karnataka, the Gomateshwara statue at Shravana Belagula of Lord Bahubali, the son of the first Jain Tirthankar, was built by Chamundaraya. Akota, near Baroda, in Gujarat. Shifrinjay Hills in Ketyawa, Gujarat. Chauzar in Bihar Dilwara Temple of Mt. Abbey built by Vimal Shah. 1. Question 5. Question 6. Q. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? 2006 Monastery State. A. Dhankar Monastery, Himachal Pradesh. B. Roomtek Monastery, Sikkim. C. Tabo Monastery, Himachal Pradesh. D. Kai Monastery, Arunachal Pradesh. Answer, D. Question 7. Q. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? 2006. A. Vikramshila Monastery, Uttar Pradesh. B. Hemkund Gurudwara, Himachal Pradesh. C. Udayagiri Caves, Maharashtra. D. Amravati Buddhist Stupa, Andhra Pradesh. Answer, D. Question 8. Q. Which one of the following sculptures invariably used green schist as the medium? 1996. A. Maurya sculptures. B. Mathura sculptures. C. Bharat sculptures. D. Gandhara sculptures. Answer, C. Mauryan sculpture. The Maurya is marked by an impressive progress in the Indian sculpture. The court art includes the pillars and their capitals while the popular art includes the works of sculptors such as the Yakshas and Yakshinis. Mauryan pillars are rock-cut pillars with bright polish imparted to stone surface. Stone pillars were erected all over the Mauryan Empire with inscriptions engraved on them. Examples: Lion capital at Sarnath, Ashokan pillar at Vaishali, etc. 1. Question 8. Mathura sculpture. The school flourished in the banks of the river Yamuna in the period between 1st and 3rd centuries BC. The sculptures were influenced by all three religions of that time: Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. It showed a striking use of symbolism. 2. Bharat sculptures. These are the best examples of post-Maurya sculptures. Mainly include the images of Yakshara and Yakshini. Torans and elaborate gateways were made. They used green schist as a medium for sculptures. 3. Gandhara sculptures. Developed in the western frontier of Punjab near Peshawar and Afghanistan. It came to be known as Greco-Indian school of art. The images of Buddha and Bodhisattvas were based on Greco-Roman pantheon and resembled that of Apollo. 4. Question 9. Q. Consider the following pairs. 2015 place of pilgrimage. Location. 1. Srisailam, Nalamala Hills. 2. Omkareshwar, Satmala Hills. 3. Pushkar, Mahadev Hills. Which of the above pairs are correctly matched? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Question 10. Q. Consider the following pairs. 2016 famous place region. 1. Bodh Gaya Baghelkhand. 2. Khajuraho Bundelkhand. 3. Shirdi Vidarbha. 4. Nasik Malwa. 5. Tirupati Rayalaseema. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1, 2 and 4. B. 2, 3, 4 and 5. C. 2 and 5 only. D. 1, 3, 4 and 5. Answer C. Question 11. Q. Match Listi with Listi and select the correct answer using the code given below. 2006 LISTI. Place of archaeological monument. List 2. State. A. Sisupalgad 1. Assam B. Pitpihava 2. Manipur C. Golpara 3. Orissa D. Bishnupur 4. Uttar Pradesh A. A-2. B-4. C. 1. D. 3. B. A-2. B-1. C. 4. D. -3. C. A3. B-4. C. 1. D. -2. D. A3. B-1. C. 4. D. -2. Answer C. Thank you. Our email at hello@civilstab.com. UPSC Civil Services Examination. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Art and Culture. Literature. UPSC Prelims 2019. Current Affairs Test Series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQS. Detailed downloadable explanation. Comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Started the 1st of April 2019. 1,499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Question 1. Q. Which one of the following texts of ancient India allows divorce to a wife deserted by her husband? 1996. A. Kamasutra. B. Manivedharmashastra. C. Shukranithisara. D. Athashastra. Answer D. Kamasutra is ancient Sanskrit text written by Vatsayana. It is a Sanskrit text on sexuality, eroticism and emotional fulfillment in life. Manivedharmashastra Dharmasastra is a genus of Sanskrit texts and refers to the treatises, shastras, of Hinduism on dharma. The Dharmashastras are the ancient law books of Hindus, which advocate moral laws and principles for devout duty and righteous conduct for the followers of the faith. They also shape the guidelines for their social and religious code of conduct. Hindus in the past were Hindu monarchs and enforced the laws as part of their religious duty. Shukranithisara is the name of a work on ethics by Sukracharya. The science of government and political ethics have been elaborately dealt here in all 4 chapters, which are named simultaneously as Rajadiktika Thana, i.e., the duties and responsibilities of the king. Yuva Rajadiktika Thana, i.e., the duties of the royal princess. Sadharananithisastra Thana, i.e., general statements regarding the political and moral standard of the people. Misraprakaranakathana chapter of mixed type. Athashastra is an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft, economic policy and military strategy, written in Sanskrit. Kautilya, also identified as Chanakya, is traditionally credited as the author of the text. The text discusses marriage and consent laws in books 3 and 4. The chapter 2 of book 3 of Athashastra legally recognizes 8 types of marriage. 1. Question 1. Question 2. Q. Which one of the following pairs of composers in different languages in their works on the Mahabharata theme is correctly matched? 1997. Sardarasa, Bengali, B. Kasirama, Oriya, C. Tikna, Marathi, D. Pamper, Kannada. Answer D. Sarla Dasodia Mahabharat. Kashiram Das Bengali Mahabharat. Tikna Telugu Mahabharat Pampavikramarjuna Vijaya, Kannada. 1. The Mahabharata is one of the 2 major Sanskrit epics of ancient India, the other being the Ramayana. It narrates the struggle between 2 groups of cousins in the Kurukshetra war and the fates of the Kaurava and the Pandava princes in their succession. Traditionally, the authorship of the Mahabharata is attributed to Vyasa. The Mahabharata is the longest epic poem known and has been described as the longest poem ever written. 2. Question 2. Question 3. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. LISTI list 2. A. Varamihira 1. Prabandha Chintamani B. Visikadita 2. Mricha Kritikam C. Survaka 3. Brihat Sanhita D. Bihana 4. Devi Chandraguptam 5. Vikraman Kadeva Charita. A, B, C, D, A, 3452, B, 3425, C, 5341, D, 1352. Answer B. Most of the literature in Sanskrit has been divided into the Vedic and the classical categories. The 2 epics, Mahabharata and Ramayana, are also part of the classical category. Most of the Sanskrit literature was bound by the rules of grammar that have been explained brilliantly in Panini's Ashtadhyayi, a treatise on the rigid rules which bind the Sanskrit language. 1. Sanskrit drama. The rules regarding the performance, acting, gestures, stage direction and acting have been illustrated in the Natyasastra by Bharat 1 BC 1 AD. Major dramas written in this period are 1. Kalidasa. Malavika Agnimitра, the love story of Malavika, a maiden of Queen Agnimitра, the son of Pushyamitra Shunga. Vikramavesha, love story of Vikram and Urvasi, Abhigana Shakuntala, the recognition of Shakuntala. 2. Sudraka. Mrichakitika, the little play card, love affair of young Brahman Charvitra with a wealthy courtesan. 3. Vishakdita. Mudra Rakshasa is a political drama and narrates the ascent of King Chandragupta Maurya to power in India, Devi Chandraguptam. 2. Question 3. 4. Bhavabhuti. Uttara Ramacharitam, the later life of Rama. It was written in 700 AD. 5. Bhasha, Swapnavasavadita, Vasavadita in Dream Pancharitra. Urubanga, story of Duryodhana during and after his fight with Bhima. 6. Harshavardhana, wrote 3 Sanskrit plays. Ritnavali, about the love story of Princess Ritnavali, daughter of the king of Ceylon and King Udena. Nagananda, story of how Prince Jimutvahan gives up his own body to stop a sacrifice of serpents to the divine Garuda. One unique character in this drama is invocation to Lord Buddha in the Nandi verse, Priyadarshika, union of Udena and Priyadarshika, daughter of King Vidhavarman. 3. Other major Sanskrit texts. Several major books on law were written and complied, which are called the Dhamsapras. Another major text is Manusmriti, which defines the role of man and woman in a society. The Manusmriti might have been written and compiled during 200 BC and 200 AD. Arthashastra concentrates on the economic and social conditions of the Mauryan Empire. In the later Kushana period, several major Sanskrit scholars received patronage. For X, Ashwagosha wrote Buddhacharita, which elucidates the biography of Buddha. Sondananda is one of the best examples of his poems. 4. 5. Question 3. Some of the scientific texts written in this period are Charak Samhita, book on medicine. Sushruta Samhita, book on surgery. Madhava Nidana, book on pathology. Varamihira Siddhantika, book on astrology. Brihat Samhita, book on wide-ranging subjects like planetary movements, geology, architecture, etc. Aryabhatta book on astronomy and mathematics. Legdacharya, book on astrology. 6. Question 3. Question 4. Q. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? 1. Mrishchikatikam Shudraka. 2. Buddhacharita Vasubandhu. 3. Mudrarakshasha Vishikadita 4. Harshacharita Banabhatta. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1, 2, 3 and 4 B, 1, 3 and 4 C, 1 and 4 D, 2 and 3 answer B. Question 5. Q. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? 2006 prominent Indian writer language. Raja Rao, Telugu B. Gobind Trimbok Deshpande, Marathi C. Subramaniam Bharti, Tamil D. Umashankar Joshi, Gujarati answer A. Raja Rao was a prominent Indian writer in English language. His literary works are Kanthapura, The Serpent and the Rope, The Cat and the Shakespeare, Comrade Kirillov. Gobind Trimbok Deshpande Govind Purushottam Deshpande was a Marathi playwright and academic from Maharashtra, India. He was also known as Gopu or GPD. He received the Maharashtra State Award for his collective work in 1977 and the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award for playwriting in 1996. His collection of essays on culture and politics, Dialectics of Defeat, Problems of Culture in Post-Colonial India, Seagull, Kolkata, was published in 2006. 1. Chinnaswamy Subramaniam Bharatiya, also known as Bharatiyar, was a Tamil writer, poet, journalist, Indian independence activist and a social reformer from Tamil Nadu. Popularly known as Mahakavi Bharati, he was a pioneer of modern Tamil poetry and is considered one of the greatest Tamil literary figures of all time. His numerous works included fiery songs kindling patriotism during the Indian independence movement. Bharati's influence on Tamil literature is phenomenal. He covered political, social and spiritual themes. The songs and poems composed by Bharati are very often used in Tamil cinema and have become staples in the literary and musical repertoire of Tamil artists throughout the world. Umashankar Jethalal Joshi was a poet, scholar and writer. He received the Jnanpith Award in 1967 for his contribution to Indian, especially Gujarati literature. 2. Question 5. Question 6. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. 2009. List I. Book list 2. Author. A. In Custody 1. Amartya Sen BC of Poppies 2. Amitav Ghosh The Argumentative Indian 3. Anita Desai D. Unaccustomed Earth 4. Jhumpa Lahiri. A B C D. 4123 B. 4213 C. 3214 D. 3124 answer C. Question 7. Q. Assertion A. The Aham and Puram poems of the Padivan Clutanico group formed a continuation of the Sangam composition. Reason R. They were included under the post-Sangam works as against the Sangam works proper. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 2000. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer C. Tamil Sangam literature. Sangam means fraternity and this literature was very popular amongst the masses. This literature is a collection of works that contains approx. 2,381 poems. The literature was so popular that the period between 300 BC and 300 AD, during which most of these were composed and compiled, is called Sangam period. There are two major schools of Sangam literature. Aham, Agam, it is the inner field and concentrates on the abstract discussion of human aspects like love etc. Puram, it is the outer field which discusses the human experiences like social life, ethics, customs etc. 1. Question 7. Question 8. Q. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? 2000. Bhakti Itihas, Badal Sarkar. B. Sita Swayamvar, Vishnu Das Bhave, C. Gayati, Girish Karnad. D. Giddar, Jabba Patel answer D. Question 9. Q. Quote the following is the author of a collection of poems called Golden Threshold. 2009. Aruna Asaf Ali, B. Annie Besant, C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit answer C. Aruna Asaf Ali. Ideas of a Nation. The Resurgence of Indian Women. Private Phase of a Public Person, a Study of Jawaharlal Nehru. Aruna Asaf Ali, a Profile. Annie Besant. The Ancient Wisdom. My Path to Atheism, the Path of Discipleship. 1. Sarojini Naidu. The Golden Threshold. The Bird of Time. The Broken Wing. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Prison Days, the Scope of Happiness. 2. Question 9. Question 10. Q. With reference to the cultural history of India, the memorizing of chronicles, dynastic histories and epic tales was the profession of who of the following? 2016. Shramana, B. Parivrajaka, C. Agraharika, D. Margadha answer D. Sharamana, seeker, one who performs acts of austerity, ascetic. Parivraj, wandering recluse. Agraharika, related to land grants given to Brahmans. Magadha, associated with memorizing of chronicles, dynastic histories and epic tales. 1. Question 10. Question 11. Q. The term Apabhramsa was used in medieval Sanskrit texts to denote outcasts among the Rajputs. B. Deviations from Vedic rituals. C. Early forms of some of the modern Indian languages. D. Non-Sanskrit verse metres. Answer C. Question 12. Q. Consider the following languages. 2014. 1. Gujarati. 2. Kannada. 3. Telugu. Which of the above have been declared as classical languages by the government? 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 answer C. In 2004, Government of India declared that languages that meet certain requirements could be accorded the status of a classical language in India. Languages so far declared to be classical languages are Tamil, Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam Odia. 1. Question 12. Thank you. Our email at hello@civilstab.com. UPSC Civil Services Examination. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Art and Culture. Paintings and Crafts. UPSC Prelims 2019. Current Affairs Test Series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQS. Detailed downloadable explanation. Comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Started the 1st of April 2019. 1,499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Question 1. Q. Kalamkari painting refers to 2015. A hand-painted cotton textile in South India. B. A handmade drawing on bamboo handicrafts in Northeast India. C. A block-printed woolen cloth in Western Himalayan region of India. D. A hand-painted decorated silk cloth in Northwestern India. Answer A. Kalamkari paintings. It is a type of folk painting. Its name comes from kalam, i.e. a pen, which is used to paint these exquisite paintings. The pen used is made of sharp-pointed bamboo, used to regulate the flow of colors. The base is cotton fabric while the colors used are vegetable dyes. The main centers for this art are Srikalahasti and Machilipatnam in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The images are drawn freehand and the inspiration comes from Hindu mythology. 1. Question 1. Other types of folk paintings are Madhubani paintings, Puttachakata, Putua art, Kalighat painting, Patkar painting, 2. Kalamkari painting, Valli painting, Thanka painting, Manjusha painting. Question 2. Q. The well-known painting, Bani Tani, belongs to the 2018. Burni School, B. Jaipur School, C. Kanra School, D. Kishangarh School. Answer D. Kishangarh School of Painting. Kishangarh painting, 18th century school of the Rajasthani style of Indian painting that arose in the princely state of Kishangarh, central Rajasthan state. It is associated with the most romantic legends of Sawant Singh, the prince and lover, Nagri Das, the poet, and Nihal Chand, the painter. Most famous painting is Bani Tani. It is said to resemble the character of Radha. 1. Other regional schools of art are Rajasthani School of Painting, Mewar School of Painting, Sahibdin, Tamasha paintings, Kishangarh School of Painting, Bani Tani, Burni School of Painting, Devotees of Krishna, Marwar School of Painting, Shiva Purana, Dattacharitra, Durgacharitra, Panchtantra, etc. Bikaner School of Painting, Pahari School of Painting, Nainsukan, Manaku. Kanra School most popular subjects were Gita Govind, Bhagwata Purana, etc. Basholi School, Devi Das, famous for Radha Krishna depiction. 2. Question 2. Question 3. Q. There are only 2 known examples of cave paintings of the Gupta period in ancient India. One of these is paintings of the Ajanta caves, whereas the other surviving examples of Gupta paintings. 2010. Bagh caves, B. Ellora caves. C. Lomas Rishi cave, D. Nasik caves. Answer A. The Gupta Empire was named after the Gupta dynasty which ruled approximately between 300 and 20,550 CE. The Gupta dynasty period is regarded as the golden age of India. The Gupta Empire was not only popular for the overall development and prosperity of the empire, but was also popular for its paintings. The paintings in the cave of Ajanta in the state of Maharashtra and the paintings in the cave of Bagh in the state of Madhya Pradesh symbolize the Gupta-style painting. The cave paintings of the Gupta period commonly showcased the life of Buddha and various stories from the Jatak tales. As such, there was some religious aspect attached to the painting style of the Gupta period. 1. Lomas Rishi cave, Barabar, Bihar and Nasik caves were built before the Gupta period. Ellora caves, 6,001,000 CE, were built after the Gupta period. 2. Question 3. Question 4. Q. The painting of Bodhisattva Padmapani is one of the most famous and oft-illustrated paintings of 2017. Ajanta, B. Badami, C. Bagh. D. Ellora. Answer A. Question 5. Q. Consider the following famous name, 2009. 1. Amrita Shergill. 2. Bikash Bhattacharjee. 3. N.S. Bendre. 4. Subodh Gupta. Who of the above are well known as artists? 1 only. B. 1 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer D. Amrita Shergill was an eminent Indian painter, sometimes known as India's Frida Kahlo and considered as important women painter of 21st century. Bikash Bhattacharjee was an Indian painter from Kolkata in West Bengal. Through his paintings, he depicts the life of average middle-class Bengali, their aspirations, superstitions, hypocrisy and corruption. Narayan Sridhar Bendre was born in Indore. He was awarded Padma Shri in 1969 and Kalidas Samman in 1984. Subodh Gupta is an artist based in New Delhi. His work encompasses sculpture, installation, painting, photography, performance and video. 1. Question 5. Question 6. Q. Consider the following towns of India, 2014. 1. Bhadrachalam. 2. Chanderi. 3. Kanchipuram. 4. Karnal. Which of the above are famous for the production of traditional saris fabric? 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1, 3 and 4. Answer B. Question 7. Q. Consider the following pairs, 2018 craft heritage of 1. Putukali shawls, Tamil Nadu. 2. Sujni embroidery, Maharashtra. 3. Upana Jamdani saris, Karnataka. Which of the pairs given above are correct? 1 only. B. 1 and 2. C. 3 only. D. 2 and 3. Answer A. Putukali shawls, Tamil Nadu. Sujni embroidery, Bihar. Upana Jamdani saris, Andhra Pradesh. 1. Question 7. Thank you. Our email at hello@civilstab.com. UPSC Civil Services Examination. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Art and Culture. Music, Dance and Theatre Part 1. Topic-wise analysis of last 23 years art and culture questions. Chapter number of questions. Architecture 18, Literature 13, Paintings and Handicrafts 8, Music, Dance and Theatre 19, Buddhism and Jainism 24, Religious Movements and Festivals 6, Schools of Philosophy 2, Miscellaneous 10. UPSC Prelims 2019. Current Affairs Test Series. 10 Tests equals 1000 MCQS. Detailed downloadable explanation. Comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Started the 1st of April 2019. 1,499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Presently, Sangeet Natak Akademi, there exist 8 classical dance forms in India, which have been described as follows. 1. Bharatanatyam. 2. Kuchipudi. 3. Kathakali. 4. Mohiniyattam. 5. Odissi. Classical dances. Bharatanatyam. Origin Tamil. The origin of this dance can be traced back to solo dance performance of the Devadasis in Tamil Nadu. Famous proponent Krishna Iyer, Rukmini Devi Arundel, Yamini Krishnamurthy, Lakshmi Viswanathan, Priyadarshini Govind etc. 1. The performance repertoire of Bharatanatyam, like other classical dances, includes Nritya, pure dance. Nritya, solo expressive dance. Natya, group dramatic dance. 6. Manipuri. 7. Kathak. 8. Satriya Kuchipudi. Origin, Andhra Pradesh. Famous proponent, Balasaraswati, Ragini Devi, Radha Reddy, Raja Reddy etc. 2. Some of the features of Kuchipudi danza. It involves difficult foot movements and is generally a team performance. Most of the Kuchipudi recitals are based on stories of Bhagavata Purana but have a secular theme. There is a predominance of Shringara ras. Features Alarippu, Jitishwaram, Shabdam, Varnam Javali, Tilina. Alarippu and piece of performance. It is meant to seek the blessings of God. Jitishwaram Nritta component. It is devoid of expressions. Just different poses and movements show the dramatic element with expressed words. Varnam, narrative component. Combination of dance and emotions. Pudam, mastery over the expression of a spiritual message by the artist Javali. Short love lyrics performed at a faster tempo. Tilina, concluding stage. Comprises of pure dance. Classical dances. Each principal character introduces itself on the stage with a daru, which is a small composition of dance and song, specifically choreographed for the revelation of each character. The dance involves all three components of classical dances, Nritta, Naritya and Natya. It is similar to Bharatanatyam but has its own features. The performance has Solikat or Pratikshara, the Nritta part where movement of the body is made. Kavutvams, the Nritta part which involves extensive acrobatics. It may also be performed as Nritta, pure dance. A Kuchipudi recital is generally accompanied with Carnatic music, violin and mridangam being the principal instruments. The recital is in Telugu language. Kathakali. Origin, Kerala famous proponents, V. N. Menon, Kottikal Sivaraman, Rita Ganguly etc. 3. Some of the features of Kathakali danza. Kathakali is essentially an all-male troupe performance. There is minimal use of props in the Kathakali recital. However, very elaborate facial makeup along with it. Classical dances. It involves both dance and drama and the two cannot be clearly separated. Most Kathakali recitals are a grand representation of the eternal conflict between good and evil. It draws its themes from the stories narrated in the epics and the Puranas. The language used for Kathakali songs is Manipuram, i.e., a mixture of Malayalam and Sanskrit. 9 important facial expressions called Navarasas are taught to convey the different emotions. Extensive hand gestures are also used. Mohiniyattam. Origin, Kerala famous proponents, V. N. Menon, Kalyani Amma, Jayaprabha Menon, Kalamandalam Shemvati etc. 4. Some of the features of Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam combines the grace and elegance of Bharatanatyam with the vigor of Kathakali. There is a marked absence of thumping of footsteps and the footwork is gentle. Mohiniyattam generally narrates the story of the feminine dance of Vishnu. The lascive aspect, beauty, grace of dance is dominant in a Mohiniyattam recital. Hence, it is mainly performed by female dancers. Classical dances. A Tavakal or a Tavus is the collection of 40 basic dance movements. Musical instruments used are cymbals, veena, drums, flute, etc. Odissi. Origin, Odisha, earliest examples of Odissi dance in caves of Udayagiri Khandagiri. Famous proponents, Guru Pandit Charan Das, Guru Kelu Charan Mohapatra, Sonal Mansingh, Sharon Loan, USA, Myla Barvi, Argentina. 5. Some of the features of Odissi are. It is similar to Bharatanatyam in the use of mudras and postures to express emotions. The Tribanda posture, i.e. the three-bended form of the body is innate to Odissi dance form. Also the chok posture with hands spread out depicts masculinity. The dancers create intricate geometrical shapes and patterns with their body. Hence, it is known as mobile sculpture. The elements of Odissi dance form includes Mangalacharan or the beginning where flower is offered to Mother Earth. Batu Nritya comprising of the dance. It has the Trivandra and the chok postures. Pallavi which includes the facial expressions and the representation of the song. Tharijam consisting of pure dance before the conclusion. Classical dances. Odissi dance is accompanied by Hindustani classical music and instruments generally used are manjira, cymbals, pakhavaj, drums, sitar, flute, etc. The dance form symbolizes the element of water. The lyrics of Gita Govinda, written by Jayadeva, is used along with compositions of some local poets. Manipuri. Origin, Manipur. Famous proponents, Raja Bhakchandra, Nena, Suvarna, Ranjana and Darshana, Guru Bipin Singha, and Madhavi Devi etc. 6. This dance gained prominence with the advent of Vaishnavism in 15th century. Then, Krishna became the central theme of this dance form. It is performed generally by females. Some of the features of Manipuri dance are as follows. Manipuri dance is unique in its emphasis on devotion and not sensuality. The faces are covered with a thin veil and facial expression is of lesser importance. Hand gestures and gentle movement of feet are important. Nagabandha Mudra, in which the body is connected through curves in the shape of 8, is an important posture in Manipuri dance form. Ras Leela, Radha Krishna love story, is a recurring theme of the Manipuri dance recital. Tanta and Sankirtana are also influenced by Manipuri dance. Classical dances. Kathak. Origin, Uttar Pradesh famous proponents, Lady Leela Soke, Biju Maharaj, Lechu Maharaj, Sitara Devi, Damayanti Joshi etc. 7. An important feature of Kathak is the development of different gharanas as it is based on Hindustani style of music, Lucknow, Jaipur, Raigad, Banaras. The elements of the Kathak recital are Ananda or the introductory item through which the dancer enters the stage. That comprising soft and varied movements. Todas and tukadas are small pieces of fast rhythm. Jugalbani is the main attraction of Kathak recital which shows a competitive play between the dancer and the table player. Padam is a special feature in which the dancer recites complicated bowls and demonstrates them. Tirana is similar to Thilina, which comprises of pure rhythmic movements before the end. Kramale is the concluding piece comprising of intricate and fast footwork. Kathak is generally accompanied with Drupal music. Tiranas, Tunas and ghazals were also introduced during the Mughal period. Classical dances. Satriya. Origin, Assam inspired from Bhakti movement. 8. Satriya dance in modern form was introduced by the Vaishnava saint Shankaradeva in the 15th century AD in Assam. The art form derives its name from the Vaishnava monasteries known as Satras. It finds mention in the ancient text, Natya Shastra, of sage Bharat Muni. Indian art, a type of Satriya, it involves play or musical drama. It was originally written in Assamese Maithili mixed language called Brajavali. It is also called Bhom and involves stories of Lord Krishna. Some of the features of Satriya dance include, the dance form was an amalgamation of various dance forms prevalent in Assam, mainly Ojapali and Devdasi. The dance is generally performed in group by male monks known as Bhokats as part of their daily rituals or even on festivals. Khol, drum, cymbals, manjira, and flute form the major accompanying instruments of this dance form. The songs are composition of Shankaradeva known as Bojits. In the modern times, Satriya dance has evolved into two separate streams, the Gayan Bhaino Nak and the Karmano Nak. Classical dances. Question 1. Q. Which one of the following dances involves solo performance? 1997. A. Bharatanatyam. B. Kuchipudi. C. Mohiniyattam. D. Odissi. Answer. A. Question 2. Q. Match list I with list I and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. 2001. List 1, List 2. A. Kalamandalam Shemavati 1. Kathakali B. Kuttikku Savaraman 2. Manipuri C. Lakshmi Viswanathan 3. Mohiniyattam D. N. Madhavi Devi 4. Bharatanatyam. A, B, C, D. 1324 B. 3142 C. 1342 D. 3124 Answer B. Question 3. Q. How do you distinguish between Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam dances? 2012. 1. Dancers occasionally speaking dialogues is found in Kuchipudi dance but not in Bharatanatyam. 2. Dancing on the brass plate by keeping the feet on its edges is a feature of Bharatanatyam but Kuchipudi dances does not have such a form of movements. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2 Answer A. Question 4. Q. With reference to the famous Satriya dance, consider the following statements. 2014. 1. Satriya is a combination of music, dance and drama. 2. It is a centuries-old living tradition of Vaishnavites of Assam. 3. It is based on classical ragas and talis of devotional songs composed by Tulsidas, Kabir and Mirabai. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 Answer B. Question 5. Q. In the context of cultural history of India, a pose in dance and dramatics called Tribhanga has been a favorite of Indian artists from ancient times till today. Which one of the following statements best describes this pose? 2013. One leg is bent and the body is slightly but oppositely curved at waist and neck. B. Facial expressions, hand gestures and makeup are combined to symbolize certain epic or historic characters. C. Movements of body, face and hands are used to express oneself or to tell a story. D. A little smile, slightly curved waist and certain hand gestures are emphasized to express the feelings of love or eroticism. Answer A. Question 6. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. 2007. List I, List 2. A. Bhajan Safari 1. Bharatanatyam dancer B. Brij Maharaj 2. Exponent of Santur C. Priyadashini Govind 3. Mridangam maestro DTV Gopalkrishnan 4. Kathak dancer A, B, C, D. 2143 B. 3142 C. 2413 D. 3412 Answer C. Question 7. Q. Consider the following pairs. 2014. 1. Garba, Gujarat. 2. Mohiniyattam, Orissa. 3. Yakshagana, Karnataka. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 Answer C. Garba. Garba is a popular folk dance of Gujarat, held at the time of Navaratra. Garba actually refers to Garba Deep, an earthen pot with holes, in which a lamp is lit and women dance around it in circular movements with rhythmic clapping. 1. Folk dances. Other types folk dances are Chow. It is a form of mass dance that uses vigorous martial movements. In 2010, UNESCO inscribed Chow in the representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Tirangam. It is the folk dance of Goa that celebrates the youthfulness of the region. It is performed during Dashehra and Holi. Ghumar or Gango. It is a traditional folk dance performed by the women of the Bhil tribe in Rajasthan. Kilbalia. It is a sensuous folk dance performed by the women of the Kilbalia community of Rajasthan. The costumes and dance movement are similar to that of the serpents. The UNESCO has inscribed Kilbalia folk songs and dances in the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity in 2010. Chirba. It is the popular folk dance of Himachal Pradesh, performed during the Dashehra festivities. Bhangra, Gidda. Bhangra is the highly energetic folk dance of Punjab. Gidda is the female counterpart of the male Bhangra. Dadra. It is the semi-classical form of dance popular in Uttar Pradesh, accompanied by the music of the same style. etc. 2. Question 8. Q. Which one of the following pairs of folk dance forms and states is not correctly matched? 1999. A. Korku, Maharashtra. B. Jhumar, Haryana. C. Thali, Himachal Pradesh. D. Mukna, Manipur. Answer. Assignment question. Question 9. Q. With reference to India's culture and tradition, what is Kalaripayattu? 2014. A. It is an ancient Bhakti cult of Shaivism still prevalent in some parts of South India. B. It is an ancient style bronze and brass work still found in southern part of Coromandel area. C. It is an ancient form of dance and a living tradition in the northern part of Malabar. D. It is an ancient martial art and a living tradition in some parts of South India. Answer. D. Kalaripayattu. One of the oldest martial arts in India, Kalaripayattu, although practiced in most parts of southern India, originated in the state of Kerala in the 4th century AD. Kalari, a Malayalam word, refers to a specific type of school, gymnasium, training hall where martial arts are practiced or taught. In this case, it's Kalaripayattu. According to legends, sage Parasurama, who built temples and introduced martial arts, started Kalaripayattu. This art form includes mock duels, armed and unarmed combat, and physical exercises. The most important aspect of Kalaripayattu is the style of fighting. 1. Martial arts. Other martial arts are Silimbam. Silimbam, a kind of staff fencing, is a modern and scientific martial art of Tamil Nadu. Tanta and Saritsarak, created by the Meitei people of Manipur. Tanta is an armed martial art that finds its mention in the most lethal combat forms. Saritsarak, on the other hand, is an unarmed art form that uses hand-to-hand combat. Chebi Garga, one of the most ancient martial arts of Manipur. Chebi Garga involves fighting using a sword and a shield. Parikanda, created by Rajputs, is a form of martial art from Bihar. Thora, originating in the state of Himachal Pradesh, Thora is a mixture of martial arts, sport and culture. It takes place during Baisakhi. 2. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our email is hello@civilstep.com. Thank you. UPSC Civil Services Examination. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Art and Culture. Music, Dance and Theatre Part 2. UPSC Prelims 2019. Current Affairs Test Series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQs. Detailed downloadable explanation. Comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Started the 1st of April 2019. 1499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Question 1. Q. The raga which is sung early in the morning is 2000. Aktori. B. Debari. C. Bhopali. D. Gimpalasi. Answer A. Anatomy of Indian music. Swara. In ancient period, it was associated with the recitation of the Vedas. But over time, it is used to define the note or scale degree in a composition. Currently, the notational system of the Hindustani music eraser, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa raga, it is the basis of melody. According to the number of notes in the raga, there are 3 main categories. 1. Odava raga. 2. Shidava raga. 3. Sampurna Raga Tala. The rhythmic groups of beatings are called tala. These rhythmical cycles range from 3 to 108 beats. Several musicologists have argued that there are more than 100 talas, but only 30 talas are currently known, and even within that only 10 to 12 talas are actually used. Different kinds of recognized and used talas are Dadra, Kaharba, Rupak, Ektal, Japtal, Tindal and Nada Chotol. Rasa. These emotions, which I evoke through the singing and playing of instruments, are called rasas. The rasas have also been called the aesthetic delight, as they are consciously made to feel an emotion through someone else's art. There are 9 types of rasas known as Nauras. That. That is a system of classification of the ragas in different groups. Presently, in Hindustani classical music, 10 That classification has been adopted. The 10 Thats are Bilawal, Kamas, Kafi, Esivari, Bhairavi, Bhairav, Kalyan, Mawa, Purvi and Todi. Samay. Each raga has a specific time at which it is performed. This is because those notes are supposed to be more effective at that particular time. From 12 am to 12 pm, this is called the Purva Rag. From 12 pm to 12 am, this is 1. Question 1. Classical music. Over time, 2 distinct schools of Indian classical music evolved. Hindustani music, practiced in the northern parts of India. Carnatic music, practiced in the southern parts of India. 1. Hindustani music. There are 10 main styles of singing in Hindustani music like the Drupad, Dhamma, Hori, Khayal, Tippa, Chaturing, Ragasagar, Tirana, Sargam and Tumri. Some of the major schools are Drupad. It is one of the oldest and grandest forms of Hindustani classical music and finds it mentioned even in the Shastra. Drupad includes use of Sanskrit syllables and is of temple origin. Although Drupad consolidated its position as a classical form of music in the 13th century, it reached its zenith in the court of Emperor Akbar. He employed and patronized musical masters like Baba Gopal Das, Swami Haridas and Tansen. It is also speculated that Baiju Bawra sang at the court of Akbar. Drupad singing can be further divided into 4 forms on the basis of vanis or banis that they perform. 1. Digri Gharana Gundecha brothers from Jaipur. 2. Darbhanga Gharana Malik family. 3. Betia Gharana Indra Kishore Mishra 4. Tilwani Gharana Pakistan family. 2. Khayal. The word khayal is derived from Persian and means idea or imagination. The origin of the style was attributed to Amir Khusrau. Sultan Muhammad Shaki gave the biggest patronage to khayal in the 15th century. The major gharanas under khayal music are Gwalior Gharana, Nattu Khan and Vishnu Puluskar. Kirana Gharana, Nayak Gopal founded it. Abdul Wahid Khan, Abdul Karim Khan, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi and Gangbhai Hangal. Agra Gharana, also called Rangila Gharana, C.R. Vyas and Vijay Kichu. Patiala Gharana, Bade Fateh Ali Khan and Ali Bakhsh Khan started this Gharana. Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Bindi Bazar Gharana, Chirju Khan, Nazir Khan and Khadim Hussain founded it. 3. 4. Tumri. It is based on mixed ragas and is commonly considered to be semi-classical Indian music. This was inspired by the Bhakti movement so much that the text usually revolves around the girl's love for Krishna. The compositions are usually sung in a female voice. The main gharanas of Tumri are based in Banaras and Lucknow, and one of the most timeless voice of singing Tumri is of Begum Akhtar. Hindustani music. Tippa style. In this style the rhythm plays a very important role as the compositions are based on fast, subtle and naughty constructions. One of the very few expounders of the style are Mia Suri, Pandit Laxman Rao of Gwalior and Channu Khurana. Tirana style. In this style the rhythm plays a very crucial role. It uses many words that are sung at a fast tempo. Currently, the world's fastest Tirana singer is Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma of the Mewati Gharana. In 2011, the audience at Pandit Motiram Sangeet Samaroh in Hyderabad gave him the title of Tirana Ke Badshah. Ghazal. It is a poetic form that consists of rhyming couplets and a refrain, with each line sharing the same meter. It is said that Amir Khusrau was one of the first expounders of the art of making ghazal. 5. Hindustani music. Question 2. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. 1999. List I list 2. A. Pandit Vishnu Digambar Puluskar 1. Introduced the scheme of raga classification in Indian music. D. Venkatama 2. Proponent of the Carnatic music. C. Shyama Shastri 3. Proponent of the Khayal form of Hindustani music. D. Amir Khusrau 4. Wrote the music for the song Vande Mataram. A. A4B1C3D2. B. A4B1C2D3. C. A1B4C3D2. D. A1B4C2D3. Answer B. Question 3. Q. Who among the following is a Hindustani classical singer? 2006. A. Geeta Chandran. B. Leela Samson. C. Gangbhai Hangal. D. Swarnasundari. Answer C. Question 4. Q. The brothers Umakant and Ramakant Ganticha. 2009. A. Drupad vocalists. B. Kathak dancers. C. Sarod maestros. D. Tabla players. Answer A. Question 5. Q. With reference to Drupad, one of the major traditions of India that has been kept alive for centuries, which of the following statements are correct? 2012. 1. Drupad originated and developed in the Rajput kingdoms during a Mughal period. 2. Drupad is primarily a devotional and spiritual music tree. Drupad Alap uses Sanskrit syllables from mantras. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above is correct answer. B. There are 4 major traditional categories of musical instruments depending upon the type of instruments that are included in it. They are Avanad, Pavanadha, Vidya, percussion instruments. These are the membranophone instruments as they contain an outer membrane, which is beaten to take out particular musical sounds. The most ancient amongst this class are the Bhumi Dinugi or the earth drum. Generally, the musical instruments included in this category are tabla, drum, dhol, congo, mridangam, etc. While the tabla is usually the accompaniment of most Hindustani classical vocals, the mridangam is the instrument that accompanies the Carnatic music performances. Tabla, Pandit Anukilal Mishra, Ahmad Jan Tirakwa, Ustad Sukhwinder Singh Namdhari, Pandit Anindra Chatterjee, Zakir Hussain, etc. Mridangam, Madurai T. Srinivasan, T. Ranganathan, Dakshinamurti Pillai, Velorji Ramabhadran, etc. 1. Musical instruments. 2. Sushila Vidya, wind instruments. These are the aerophones, i.e. this category includes all the wind instruments. Most common instruments include bansuri, flute, sanai, pingi, ningtans, etc. Sanai. It is one of the oldest wind instruments in India. The exalted title of the Sanai King has been given to the legendary Ustad Bismillah Khan. Flute, Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia, Ronu Mazumdar, etc. Ghana Vidya. It is the genre of the solid instruments that do not require any tuning. They are also called the idiophone instruments. The most popular examples of Ghana Vidya are Manjira, cymbals, jaltaring, kanstaring, janj, khatal, ghatak or ghatam, etc. Archaeological excavations have dated Manjira to be as old as the Harappan civilization. Ghatak, Titakudi Hariharan Vinayakram. 3. Tal, Tata Vidya, string instruments. These are the chordophones or string instruments that function best when their sound is modified by hand. There are three major types of Tata instruments. Baud, the instruments where the sound is drawn from drawing a bow across the strings. For example, sarangi, Israjan violin. Plectral, the instruments where the strings are plucked by the fingers or by a plectrum of wire or horn. For example, sitar, veena and tambura. Those instruments that are struck by small hammer or a pair of sticks. For example, Botu Vidyam and Swaramandal. Sitar, Ravi Shankar, Anushka Shankar, Pandit Nikhil Banerjee etc. Violin, L. Subramaniam, Lalgudi Jayaraman, Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan etc. 4. Musical instruments. Question 6. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. 2000. List I. Artists. List 2. Medium of music delivery. A. Balamurali Krishna 1. Hindustani vocal B. Mitapindu 2. Ghatam C. Kanyakumari 3. Sitar D. Nikhil Banerjee 4. Violin 5. Carnatic vocal. A. B. C. D. 5123 B. 4315 C. 3152 D. 5413 Answer A. Question 7. Q. Who among the following is well known as an exponent of flute? 2004. Debu Chaudhary B. Madhub Mudgal C. Ronu Mazumdar D. Sahafat Ahmad Answer C. Question 8. Q. With reference to Manipuri Sankirtana, consider the following statements. 2017. 1. It is a song and dance performance. 2. Cymbals are the only musical instruments used in the performance. 3. It is performed to narrate the life and deeds of Lord Krishna. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1. 2 and 3 B. 1 and 3 only C. 2 and 3 only D. 1 only. Answer. B. Representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. 1. Tradition of Vedic chanting. 2. Ramlila. 3. Kutiyattam, Sanskrit theatre. 4. Raman, religious festival and ritual theatre of the Garhwal Himalayas. 5. Muriyattu, ritual theatre and dance drama of Kerala. 6. Kalbalia, folk songs and dances of Rajasthan. 7. Chow dance. 8. Buddhist chanting of Ladakh. 9. Sankirtana, ritual singing, drumming and dancing of Manipur. 10. Traditional brass and copper craft of utensil making among the Tataras of Jindalaguru, Punjab. 11. Yoga. 12. Navroz 13. Kumbh Mela. 1. Question 8. 2. Manipur Sankirtana. Communities, Hindus of Manipur. Region, in the province of Manipur and also in the region of Assam. Sankirtana is the artistic manifestation of Manipuri worship. 3. The art consists of narrative singing and dancing. Always performed in a mandala inside a mandapa attached to a temple or erected in a courtyard. It employs musical instruments like drums and cymbals. Sankirtana practices center on the temple, where performers narrate the lives and deeds of Krishna through song and dance. Sankirtana has two main social functions. 1. It brings people together on festive occasions throughout the year. 2. It establishes and reinforces relationships between the individual and the community through life cycle ceremonies. 1. Question 8. Question 9. Q. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. 2002. List I list 2. A. Hiren Bhattacharya 1. Bharatanatyam dance B. Malini Rajput 2. Hindustani vocal music C. Pratibha Prahlad 3. Kuchipudi dance D. Vempati Chinna Satyam 4. Puppetry. A. B. C. D. 4213 B. 3124 C. 4123 D. 3214 Answer A. Question 10. Q. A community of people called Manganias is well known for their 2014. Martial arts in Northeast India. B. Musical tradition in Northwest India. C. Classical vocal music in South India. D. Pietradura tradition in Central India. Answer B. The Manganias are musicians from Marwar. Like most things of quality in India, they spring from a particular caste, which is where they get their name from. The Manganias are from the Bardic tradition, like Homer, who is thought to have been an oral performer rather than a writer. Though all of them are Muslims, the songs they sang off were Hindus. The Manganias primarily perform at functions in the villages of Marwar and Barme, which is where they still live in North Touring. 1. Question 10. Source equals HTML. Question 11. Q. With reference to cultural history of India, consider the following statements. 2018. 1. Most of the Tyagaraja kritis are devotional songs in praise of Lord Krishna. 2. Tyagaraja created several new ragas. 3. Annamacharya and Tyagaraja are contemporaries. 4. Annamacharya Kirtanas are devotional songs in praise of Lord Venkateshwara. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 3 only B. 2 and 4 only C. 1, 2 and 3 D. 2, 3 and 4 Answer B. Tyagaraja, also known as Tyagaya in Telugu, was a renowned composer of Carnatic music, a form of Indian classical music. He was prolific and highly influential in the development of the classical music tradition. Tyagaraja and his contemporaries, Shyama Shastri and Muthuswami Dikshita, were regarded as the trinity of Carnatic music. Tyagaraja composed thousands of devotional compositions, most in Telugu and in praise of Lord Rama, many of which remain popular today. Of special mention are 5 of his compositions called the Pancharatna Kritis English, 5 gems, which are often sung in programs in his honor. Tyagaraja saw the reigns of 4 kings of Maratha dynasty, Pilayattu, Amarasimha, Safaji II and Sivaji II, although he served none of them. 1. Question 11. To Tillapaka and Namakaya, or Anamaya, was a 15th century Hindu saint born to Narayana and is the earliest known Indian musician to compose songs called Sankirtanas in praise of the god Venkateswara, a form of Vishnu. He is the first known composer in Carnatic music. The musical form of the Kirtana songs that he composed, which are still popular among Carnatic music concert artists, has strongly influenced the structure of Carnatic music compositions. Question 12. Q. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? 1996. Nekwal, Bihar, B. Tamasha, Arisa, C. Nat, Assam, D. Baha, Punjab Answer, mistake by UPSC. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our email is hello@civilstab.com. Thank you. UPSC Civil Services Examination. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Art and Culture. Buddhism and Jainism. Topic 1.